White Squirrel here. I've got a bunch of projects that have been sitting on my shelf for a little while. Didn't really know how to finish it or how to tackle it. One of them is a hollow frame knife I've been wanting to do. I got the idea doing a blacksmithing course years ago. I'm not really good at making handles and I'm not that interested in it. I didn't want to cut wood and make that aspect of the knife, so I never really got around to it. But seeing as I started casting and I'm finding that interesting, I'm thinking now's probably the right time to give this project a shot. So let's start off with a spring. We're going to straighten it out. I'm going to measure the end of the taper. I'm going to measure the length of the blade. And we'll see how it turns out. And here is the rough forging. I ended up tapering this end a little longer, but as long as the corner matches up, we have a nice line here. I figure I can cut this and use a little grinder and sheet to get these symmetrical, and hopefully that'll work out. Lots of finessing and straightening and tweaking to do, but I think this is the rough shape I'll be going with. And I'm just going to have to figure out exactly what I want to do for the hilt on this thing. So let's start cleaning it up and straightening it out and seeing what the blades look like when I'm all done. Here we are, blade ready for finishing. This one was a lot trickier than I thought it would be. Getting both ends symmetrical, getting them the right length, getting everything, together was actually a lot trickier than I thought. There was a lot of tweaking involved, and a little bit of grinding here and there, but overall I'm happy with the way the rough forging turned out. Hopefully, when we put a handle on it, it's gonna be presentable. So next video, we'll see how that little adventure goes.